Hey, what's up guys? I haven't posted up a video in a while, but I just wanted to do a quick video. I was able to pick up a few Vivid Voltage packs, and I haven't been able to get my hands on them because they've been sold out everywhere, but I was able to pick up a few. I got all Pikachus, and I just wanted to do a quick video on just opening up the packs for you guys. So let's do it. Yeah, first pack. All right. I've watched so many unboxings of these, and I just want to pull the big Pikachu Vmax, and I haven't seen it pulled too often, but yeah, here are all the other cover arts. Here's pack one. Keep in mind, none of these are weighed. I'm sorry if the lighting is awful, but like I said, just wanted to do a quick video. I don't even know most of these Pokemon, but I know Pikachu. Oh boy, this pack is not salvageable. All right. Code card for anybody watching. Card tricks 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe, but we'll see. Energy. Zabriska. What's that? Coding Energy, Heroes Metal, Duskull, Electrike, Pineko, Pinecow, Mudbray, Puccinia, Pooch, Reverse Hollow Woobat, okay, and a non-hollow Barraskewda. Okay, like Barraskewda. All right, cool. So we have just a non-hollow. All right, so that pack was a dud. Let's move on to the next Pikachu pack. There it is. All right, so I guess this is the easiest way, and let's see who's on the cover art. Aha, I think it's Celebi, something along those lines. All right. Let's make this quick. This is probably going to be an unedited video, because like I said, I just want to do something quick for you guys. Another Puccina. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Lightning Energy. All right, that's a good sign, right? Lightning Energy, Dusclops, Electric. Ooh, Charmeleon. Always good to see one of the Flame Bros. Puccinia again. Rockruff. Blitzel. Ooh, that looks cool. I like that. Zap Kick. It's the special move. Skiddo. Synthesis Razor Leaf. Nice. Ferroseed. Come on, baby. A Reverse Hollow Sandile. Okay. Okay, and a non-hollow Shiftry. Okay, all right. Ain't looking too hot right now, I'll tell you that. A couple non-hollows. Maybe it's because of these Pikachu packs. I mean, there's only 2 left. Let's hope for some magic on these, huh? Well, let's give it that good juju. All right, another one. Let's see, is it heavy? I don't know. So yeah, Pokemon cards is something that I casually collect. I'm not a big collector. I mean, I loved collecting them when I was a kid. I don't know what happened to my old cards, and just randomly, my friends and I got into Hidden Fates because we just came across it. We watched Leonhardt's videos, and Hidden Fates just seemed like one of those sets that was kind of like a must-have. Plus, it had all of the Pokemon that we were accustomed to. So it just so happens that was just a sought-after pack, and now it's not pack like series, but you know, now it's all gone. And there's been like 2 releases or so since, right? Maybe more. Let me know if I'm wrong. All right, Lightning Energy, another good sign. Kakuna, see? That's another OG one. Ludred, that's kind of cool. I don't know what that is, but yeah. All right. Winden Stadium. God, I can't even speak. Ninkata. Pick-a-pick. Pick-a-pee-pee-to pipe-a pick-a-pan. Puchiana. Rockruff. We're getting a lot of those. And Blitzel. And Reverse Hollow Alchemy. You know what's cool that I love about these this set is the what is that called? The Amazing Arts. The Amazing Arts just looks so cool, and a Mudsdale non-hollow. Wow. All right. A lot of reverse hollows and non-hollow rares. Last pack magic, guys. I don't know when the next time I'm going to be able to pick up a pack or a booster box or anything of Vivid Voltage, so it's kind of cool to get my hands on them, and one day I will be able to just collect whatever I come across and keep it for, you know, my future little one, and hope that, you know, he or she enjoys it. So yeah, hopefully it'll be worth something as well too. Let's see, because pretty much I don't play, you know, the actual trading card game, so it goes straight from the package, from the booster set, straight into a sleeve, and it gets stored. So they're all in pretty good condition, if not really good condition. It just also depends on the conditions of the cards themselves when they come out of the booster packs, but it doesn't change once I open it either. So there's the code card for you guys. Let's see, and let's guess fire. Oh, psychic. All right, sweet. Okay, psychic energy. Ooh, wash energy. Okay, all right, I see. Ooh, Charmeleon. Pinkerton. Oh, okay. Huh, look at that art. Sea urchin? Is that a play on words there? Whimsmer. Drillbur. Is this the reverse hollow? Whalmer. I think this is it. This is second to last one here. Cottony? Nope. It's got to be this one. Wow. Just way off. Ready? Yep. Nope. Still not the one, huh? Colobopus. And here it is. Golly. Winden Stadium, reverse hollow. Okay. And Toucannon. Rare, non-hollow. Well, guys, that was the pull. Well, those were the pulls, and all we got were a couple of reverse hollows, not a single hollow rare, but that's part of it, you know? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick video, and yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, just comment down below, let me know, and hit the like and subscribe button, and I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this quick video, and thank you all who are pre-existing subscribers, for hanging in there with me until I get some new content out. But this is just something I love to do. It's not really what my channel is based off of, but I don't know, I just think it's so much fun, and I love watching everybody else who are avid collectors, and I watch their videos on YouTube as well. So I hope you guys take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.